how's everybody doing today? Well, I'm not doing too well. Just got my flight canceled, and I arrived at 6:40. So I got another flight. It's gonna be 9 hours instead of 4.5 hours, which sucks, but you gotta just roll with it, I guess. But I'll show you what I'm bringing with me. It's not a lot. Just trying to keep everything really minimal, not to pay extra. So here it goes. I got my neck pillow. Got my little over-the-shoulder sling. I think that's what it's called. And I got just my electronics in here. I got my backpack, and that just has running shoes, clothes, and my laptop, and I think my toiletries, and that's about it. Got my water bottle, and I'm also bringing my skateboard. I'll see you at the airport in LAX and in Boston. See ya. Alright, so made it down to Boston. I'm actually waiting for the Silver Line right now. It's supposed to take you down to South Station.
This is
So on my way to go drop off my luggage. Freaking amazing here, looks crazy. So
I've even tried the pepper chicken.
Alright, so I just dropped off my luggage. Right now I'm actually gonna go down and check out the blue bikes I have here in Boston, and I'm gonna take that to the south, or to the North Station. That's where I'm gonna catch the train to Salem. So I'm at the North Station. Yeah, this is supposed to take you, I think, to Salem and a little bit further, and it's only 36 minutes, I believe, to get to Salem. So I should be there around 10:40, and then I'll probably stay there till 2:30 maybe, around there, and then head back and then go check into my Airbnb. I have to go back to South Station, or where I left my luggage, before 5 o'clock. So kind of a quick trip to Salem, but I definitely want to go check out some spots there. So alright, so I'm on the bike right now. I'm actually gonna head over to it's called Mercy's Tavern, and I'm gonna eat some onion soup because I'm hungry. And after that, I'm gonna go check out some of the spots in the movie Hocus Pocus. So yeah, take you along for the ride. All right, so the tavern was actually closed, so I went to go buy a pin, a Salem pin for a jacket, and now I'm gonna actually head down to get another bike and head down to go see Max's house from Hocus Pocus. All right, so I made it down here to Max's house at in Salem, and it's right here. Beautiful. All right, so I'm actually just gonna go ahead and head back to the train station, head back to Boston, because it's almost gonna be 1 o'clock, and after 1 we have to get into our Airbnb. All right, so I'm here at my Airbnb. I just got here 45 minutes ago, an hour. I've just been working on my laptop, but my back is sore, my legs are sore, my calves are sore, my feet are sore. Everything hurts right now. I think I did about 20 miles on those bikes that you can rent, the blue bikes here in Boston, and walking, I don't even know, maybe like 3-4 miles of walking, probably even more. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some food, come back, or shower, go get some food, come back, relax, get some good sleep, ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna head out early to go get the train and head out to Penn Station and start the New York part of this trip. What up, what up, what up? How's everybody doing? I am gonna be heading on I think the red line down there at Davis Square, and I'm gonna be heading towards the orange line or something like that, and from there the Back Bay Station, taking Amtrak. So I'm just gonna go get one of the blue bikes and start riding down to the red line train. So I'll see you on the road. Wow. I'm trying to make a left on College Avenue. Here we come, New York. Here we come, New York. Dude, my ass hurts. My calves hurt. Just got in. I wish I would have recorded me getting in, but man, it was like fast. I had to get a bike. I got an electric bike, one of the city bikes, and I've been riding. It took me at least 20 minutes to get up here. A lot of traffic. It was freaking crazy. It's lawless out here. People just crossing, cars doing whatever they want. So definitely was a culture shock. Finally here, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some. I think I'm gonna go get a hot dog at Papaya King. Alright, so I'm walking down to go get the bike. Hopefully they got an electric one there, so I can take that to go eat some hot dogs at Papaya King's. So I just came down to Central Park before
the sunset, just to have a little bike ride, and then I'll head back. I don't want to be paying too much for this bike, so it's not bad. But it's amazing. It's cold, and then tomorrow I'm going to come here for the run. So I'm just kind of taking a look at it and see how it is. All right, I just finished coming back from the park. I'm gonna go there tomorrow morning, like I said, go for a run. But yeah, I just parked. The electric bike was 12 bucks. It was gonna cost me a lot more. That's why I kind of left. So I'm just heading back to my Airbnb and maybe walk down to Whole Foods or something and get something to snack on for tonight, and then go to sleep. And then wake up super early to go on that run as early as I can, just so I don't waste daylight. Because over here, since they have all these skyscrapers, that it blocks a lot of the sunlight out, so it feels like it gets darker even sooner. I don't know if you can see me, but I just got some groceries. I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb. I think I want to relax. I want my legs to be healed for tomorrow's run. So just got some of these, a couple of snacks here and there. So heading back.
I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe. And also, I didn't film this video like I wanted to. This trip was actually planned way before I started the YouTube channel. So I kind of wasn't ready for this type of content. But hopefully the next time I do something like this, I'll film it better for everybody to enjoy. And the next thing after this, I'm going to be camping at a gas station / truck stop for Thanksgiving weekend, and just seeing how that goes. But yeah, as always, keep the adventure going, and thank you for watching.